So hello and welcome to another unboxing. This is going to be a very quick one just to show you what you get when you order a Fitbit 5. I know everyone's going about the Charge 5, but the price is, it seems to be okay. Depends on where you get it from. You can get some discounts and stuff as well. So I just wanted to show you guys what's in the actual box. So you've got this little thing here. You can just see this little corner there. So I undo that. And you've got this little thing there. Let's see if we can pull it apart. There you go. So you've got the basic box here. Obviously you're gonna get the cells gump and everything else. We don't care about that. Then you've got the actual box of Fitbit comes in. So you open the box and you get the actual device. So ta-da. If we take this out, you've got style and power. I don't know what that means. And you've got the quick start guide as well. So welcome to the Fitbit family. Get rid of that. Quick guide. Who needs it? Fitbit product information. We don't need it. So we've got in there, you've got the actual band. You've got a spare band here, and it actually comes with that. So I'm assuming this one is if you want a bigger strap, and the Fitbit itself comes with its own strap already in there. So we don't need that. We don't need that. And we've got the charging cable. Let's see what the charging cable looks like. It's one of these. So it's not like the old ones where it's an absolute nightmare, clipping off, etc, etc. So you get the actual basic stuff. There's nothing in there. Get rid of that. And I'm assuming this just goes at the back of it to charge it. So I guess that's all you need to see. If you want any other in-depth videos, etc., either let me know, or I'm sure other people have already done it. So again, this is a very quick and easy how to unbox it, and just to rip the thing so you can see it coming off as well. There you go. It's well and truly wrapped around, and you've got this little thing in the back, which is quite cute. Now keep in mind this one comes with ECG, stress monitoring, and lots of different things as well. So you've got that little connector there that goes into there, and that's how it charges, just a standard USB device. So that's all you've got. A funny little strap. So it's not going to be the same strap as the other ones that you've been buying. I guess you can just undo the strap like that to get replacement ones. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. I'm going to break it. I'm not going to break it. Okay, so this is it really. I think you need to plug it in to be able to turn it on, so I won't be able to do that for you guys now. But this is what it looks like. I hope that's of some help to someone, whoever's keen and interested to see what it comes with. This is the UK model, just be aware. I'm just temporarily in the UK at the moment, so I decided to get it delivered, and delivery is really quick. It's literally next day delivery, 5 p.m. order. It arrived this afternoon. It's great. Anyway, if you're getting one, enjoy. If you're not, then I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.